Hi, my name is Samuel Major. I'm a master's student of Dr. Russell Hill's with the Marine Environmental and Estuarine Sciences through the University of College Park and the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Sciences. And I'm specializing in molecular biology and biotechnology. So we're looking at the microbial communities associated with microalgae and how that microalgae and those microbial communities are converted into a biocrude product. So we can use that as a substitute for petroleum fuel sources. We like to do this because microalgae are a photosynthetic organism, meaning they take up a lot of carbon from the atmosphere, and then once that microalgae is converted into the biocrude product and burned, the carbon that it fixes from the atmosphere is then released. So this is what we call a carbon neutral process. So carbon neutral means that any carbon that's released from the burning of the resulting biofuel comes from the atmosphere. So it's fixed and then it's released. So there's no new greenhouse gases being produced, but it's also not mitigating any kind of greenhouse gases. It's a net neutral effect. So I was very interested in this because, of course, finding alternative fuel sources is very important. And of course, electricity and solar can't be widely distributed as well as petroleum products. So I felt like this was a very pertinent project to get into. It's a biocrude product, so it can be distilled and fractionated for anything that petroleum can be fractionated into. Gasoline, diesel fuel, jet fuel. The Navy has actually done quite a bit of research into this to look for alternative sources of fuel for their ships, things of that nature. So I came to UMCS because, when I was looking for a graduate school, I found Dr. Russell Hill, and I read about his research, and I was very fascinated by it, and I got in contact with him, and it has just been a phenomenal ride ever since then, learning about all the different biotechnologies that we can get into, how we can help mitigate any kind of anthropogenic effects that come from whatever we do to the environment. And it's associated with the University of Maryland, which is a world-renowned university for doing all sorts of types of research.